our cup, we win the 2023 Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Award.